Hey everybody, Travis Kelly with Blue Nail Roofing out in Bedford. I wanted to show you something else about this house. You'll notice behind me how we have the 30-pound synthetic underlayment all over the roof. That's your the protection that's underneath your shingles. And then there's this one area here that's all black. So what that is that's actually a low slope roof right over their sunroom. And because the slope is so low, we have to put leak barrier down because water is very vulnerable to pooling there, and also wind-driven rain. So if it's raining and the wind's blowing back toward the house, that water can be driven up under the shingles. So that's a spot to look out for. So that's why we use leak barrier on slopes that are 312 and below. And it's also why we use leak barrier in all your valleys, around all your penetrations, because any area that's particularly vulnerable needs that little bit of extra protection. So that's something to look out for. Make sure that if you do have a low slope area of your house, that you're not using just typical felt or just a basic synthetic underlayment. You want to make sure you use leak barrier. All right, tune in for the next video.